Hello, good evening, everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So, I'm going to start my lecture at 6:10. I will wait for more student, my regular student. So, are you practicing or just listening my lectures? And if there are any doubt, you can ask me right now. I'm waiting for with somebody. Okay. So, So I hope you all are working with different interiors. Yeah, I will try to complete this today. The ceiling part and the light part. Today I am going to draw LCD panel and window side, also door side, and then flooring and down ceiling. So I'll try my level best to cover these things in this lecture. So 9 student of mine are live right now. Hello Pratima ma'am. So today I am going to cover this part and window part. I'm going to place a door over here and I'm going to draw these lights, 3D modeling of these lights, and one LCD panel also. So let us search LCD panel online. LCD panel. Here I am picking up a random LCD panel, so this might be good. Is it okay or should I choose another one? दो मिनट, 2 मिनट है. Okay, today I am giving you two options. So let me know. I am picking another LCD panel from here. Like I am picking this one. So here we are having two LCD panel, um, A and B. So tell me which one I model today, A or B. This one is B and this one is A. Let me know. You have 1 minute, then I'm going to start my lecture. So students are saying A will take time. So B, look here, I am going to use plain and plain command, and I am going to edit poly that, and then those parts. Look here, I am going to edit poly, and then I am going to shell these parts, and these parts. Okay, and this will be done. And in second case, again I am going to choose plane, and I am going to increase or decrease its segments, and then again I am going to shell that. So both are same. Hardly it will take 5 minutes more. A will take 5 minutes more than B. So it's, I'll go with highest vote. Okay, so I'm going to continue my lecture. So firstly, I'm going to complete this wall. Okay, so I'm going to select this, right click, hide unselection, hide unselection. Okay, and here is my wall. So I'm going to create these panels. So simply I'm going to select chamfer box, I'm going to fix my fillet, like 0.7, 0.5 will be better. Okay, and then I'm going to move this. Before of that, I'm going to do a simple thing. I'm going to edit poly this, and I'm going to move this part upward. Okay, and now I'm going to move this. Oh, copy, not instance. Okay, and now with the help of vertex, okay. So I'm just using my first chamfer box, and I'm moving that, and I'm adjusting that accordingly, according to size, with the help of vertex rather than scale. Okay, so like this, you can see that clearly. And moving. 3 left, this, and another one is this one. And this one is the last one. So now I am going to scale this part. Okay, I'm going to reduce its height and moving it to backward, and I'm going to increase this height, the shell, and I'm going to change it to 2 inches, 2.5 inches. Okay, and now I'm going to move my bed, because this the bed is attached with wall, so I'm going to move this, move y direction minus 2.5 inch. Okay, so my wall is ready, and now I'm going to create this part, okay. So again I'm going to select my line diagram, and then I am going to select rectangle from here, and then a rectangle is created. Right click, convert to editable spline, okay, and then spline from the list, and then outline. Okay, and I think 1.5 inch, 1 inch. Okay, and then extrude, and I'm going to extrude it 3 inches. I'm going to repeat this command again. Look, I have created a rectangle like this. Now I have to edit this. I'm going to select, right click, convert to editable spline, and then spline from the list, and from here I can create a offset which is outline, like 4 inches for example, and this is my outline. And if I enter minus value in outline, look here I am entering minus 4 inches, then outline will be outside, and then I can extrude it. Okay, like this. So this is the part which I have created. Okay, and here is another part which I have to create, this part here. I done selection, and now I'm going to use this one, shift and move. Okay, and if I want to place this at exact point, I'm going to select snap toggle from the list, and the vertex must be on, and now I'm going to pick the vertex from the geometry or the geometry I have created, and then I'm going to move it and place it where I want. Okay, so the second box is placed at the position, and the next step is I have to cut my plane. And I'm going to cut this. Okay, and this one also. Okay, compound object Boolean, start picking, and here is my rectangle here and here. And the next step is I have to create the back of this. Okay, so now I'm going to here is different sizes, but I have taken same, so you can change it too with the help of scale or with the help of vertex. I can move this. Okay, so I am keeping it like this only. So if I want to change, I can move the whole portion with vertex, but it will take time, so I am keeping it like this. Hide unselection, I have selected these two, and now I am going to choose standard primitive from the list, and I am selecting plane from here, and now I have selected vertex snap toggle. Okay, and now I am going to create a plane. Okay, and here is my plane, and now I am moving my plane. Vertex 4 by 4. And I'm using the same for the second one. Okay, and I'm changing its color to blue. Okay, so my one wall is complete, and by the end of my lecture I will complete with the my bed sheet and my pillow cover. So this wall is almost completed. Then I'm going to draw this portion. For example, we are having, first of all I'm going to create a copy of this wall. Okay, so we have distance of 13 feet. So I am moving my copy portion in y direction minus 13 feet. Okay, in this wall we are going to create our LCD panel, and now here we are having a door. So for easy we can create a rectangle over here. I'm going to create a rectangle over here. Okay, right click, convert to editable spline, and now I'm going to create outline. Okay, and outline is 4.5 inches inside, and then I'm going to extrude. Okay, and I'm going to extrude it 11 feet, and here we are having window. So the height of window around 8 feet, and I'm going to increase its width. Right click, I'm going to move it from the bottom 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, and here is my door. One door is here, so I'm going to increase its height 7 feet 6 inches and width, and here is our another door over here, and I'm going to increase its height same 7 feet 6 inches. Okay, and now compound object, Boolean, start picking, cut, cut, cut. So here is my plan. Okay, and the next step is, my plan is ready. I'm going to remove this wall. Okay, I'm going to change its color, yellow, and again I'm going to put this geometry in layer. So I have selected layer from the list, and now I'm creating another layer whose name is 3D walls. Okay, so here is my 3D wall, and the next step is I'm going to move this. I have selected my box geometry and vertex, and here is my point. Okay, so I am placing my box over here. Now the next step is I am going to move this. Like this. So here is my bed, and here is my window, and here I'll be going to put my LCD panel. Okay, the next step is I'm going to create a plane. Okay, and plane is created on the top of the geometry, and now I'm going to move this. So right click, move y direction minus 11 feet. Okay, and now I'm going to shell this like 0.5 inches. Okay, so my floor is created. Now I'm going to window, create window. Okay, LZ, left view, G grid, and here I am going to select my rectangle. Right click, convert to editable spline, spline, outline, and outline I'm going to change it to 4 inches. Okay, and amount will be 2 inches. So my frame is created, and if you want to do the partition of this window, so there are two options. Firstly, I'm going to create another box like this corner and this corner, and move FZ, LZ, and here I'm going to decrease its width, like I'm changing it to 2 inches. Right click, move to X direction and 3 feet. Okay, same, I'm going to move this here. Right click, move to X direction minus 3 feet, like this. Okay, and then I'm selecting the main frame, and here I'm going to select compound object, Boolean, union, start picking, select this. Oh, look, there is a technical problem, so I'm going to explain the second option soon. The Boolean is not working. Second option is here. Okay, so there are 3 segments here. Right click, convert to editable poly, and we can move our edges. So here all the 3 boxes are of equal sizes, so I am keeping it like this only. And now I have selected polygon. Right click, inset. Okay, by polygon I am increasing the size, I am taking 2 inches. Okay, yes, now I am going to detach the inner portion. Okay, and frame is ready. I'm going to extrude this or shell this. Okay, so I'm increasing the shell amount of around 2 inch, and here is my frame. Here is my frame, and these are glasses. Okay, I'm changing its color. Okay, so if you want to change if you want to move these partition, you can move it like this. Okay, and accordingly this body is detached, so you can move or adjust this body too with the help of vertex only. Okay, so I'm using this portion rather than this one. And I'm moving this and placing this. Okay, no clone and okay. So I have flipped this portion, the glass portion, with the help of mirror. So the next thing is LCD panel. So first of all, for this LCD panel we have to draw a line diagram. So I'm going to draw that, and after that I'm going to tell you how to create curtain, and then down ceiling, and then these lights. Okay, so I'm opening this. Okay, so I'm going to work on this plan. Why? Because here we are having the position of bed, so LCD panel will always be in front of our bed. So construction line Excel. So here I am selecting these lines. I will copy them for my LCD panel wall. So here I am having the position of my LCD panel. Okay, so the TV will be placed over here, and the standard height we keep for the TV, to place the TV on LCD panel, is 55 inches from the floor. So the standard height of LCD panel, the TV position of TV, not LCD panel, the standard height of the position of TV from floor is 55 inches. Okay, so here is the position where we are going to draw this. So I am just drawing the line diagram only. So here is my AutoCAD file. I'm so this is the center of our TV, this point. Okay, and then rest of the portion. Okay, here we are having 4 drawers, offset 3 inches from the bottom. Okay, offset 9 inches. Okay, and then offset 8 inches, offset 6 inches, again offset 6 inches, okay, and then offset 3 inches, offset 40 inch, where we are going to place our TV. Okay, and now we are going to increase from both of the side. So I am increasing 1 feet from both the side. Okay, now division, div, enter. So 3 boxes are of same sizes and one is smaller. So I'm going to move this like, okay, then offset of 1 inch, and then offset of 1 inch, okay, and then I'm going to increase this. So this portion is created, and now this portion, so look here, in picture the width of this LCD panel is too long, but I am keeping it um, according to my bed, according to my bed size. Okay, so if I place this bed at the center, then I can increase its width, but my bed is at the corner side, at the side of this room. So I have created this LCD panel according to that. So here is my LCD side, and then I'm going to divide this. Div enter, and 3 enter, L enter, and 2 feet, 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, and offset 0.5 on both the side. Okay, CO enter, and here is my second point. So here we are done with it, and there is a shelf over it. So offset 1 feet, and offset 1 inch. Oh, I have selected 2 inch, offset 2 inch. So the line diagram is ready. Okay, so we will be going to place our LCD over here, and rest of it is completed. Okay, now window, I'm going to create a window. I'm going to select object from here. Okay, and I'm going to place this on desktop with the name LCD panel. Save. Okay, and then here in 3ds Max I'm going to import this. Import desktop LCD panel, open. Okay, so here's my LCD panel, and now I'm going to rotate this. Okay, and now I'm going to work on this. So I'm going to select plane from here, and I'm going to select plane like this. So here we are having vertex 1 2 3. Okay, convert to editable poly, vertex, I am going to place this on the center of this line like this. Okay, and here at the center only, and now I'm going to move this and this like this. Okay, now I'm going to select edge and I'm going to delete these lines. Okay, now I'm going to select polygon. I have selected polygon, right click, inset. Okay, inset value is perfect. So the next option is I'm going to do by polygon option. Okay, so 1 inch is okay for the frame, and okay. And now the next step is I'm going to detach the center portion, the polygon portion, and here it is selected, height selection, and this portion is created. And now the next step is I'm going to shell this, and the shell value will be 1 feet. So this method is very easy. The second method is we have to create boxes and small boxes, and then insert that, then do pro boolean. That will be lengthy. So these are created. Okay, and the next step is I'm going to select box from here. Okay, and then I'm going to create a box over here of 1 inch height. Look, I'm not going to repeat the drawer lecture, so I'm just creating cover. And for drawer lecture you can check my fourth last tutorial. Yesterday I have drawn drawers and all, so you can see over there. So here I am going to decrease the width, the height, length. Okay, so 6 inches, and now I'm going to move this, and I'm going to increase the width. Okay, next, next. And I'm going to use the same, but I will do scale. Okay, and the next is I'm going to create a box over here of 1 feet. Okay, and I'm going to change its color. That will be and here I'm going to change this. Okay, here we are having another drawer over here, so I am creating that. I'm going to create that. Height will be 1 feet. Okay, I can increase sizes. I've selected polygon and I'm going to detach this portion too. Okay, so detach, and then I'm going to select this portion and I'm going to scale that. Okay, and here I have created a box. I'm going to change its color. And another box over here, and I'm also going to change its color. Okay, so this portion is created and the rest will be like box over here of 1 inch, 2 inch, and these are two boxes of height approximate 8 inches. Height of these boxes are mostly equal to the height of our setup box, and 8 inches, and again box here 8 inches, and this box 8 inches. So my LCD panel is ready. Okay, right click, hide unselection. If I want to go with detail, okay, so here is the cover of it, and so the LCD panel is ready. Now the next step is I'm going to create mirror command in Y direction, so that this is my LCD panel and I'm going to place this over here. Okay, in front of our bed. Okay, like this. The next thing is we are having two methods of curtain. One is the simplest one, ओके, जो वॉक थ्रू एनिमेशन है, पहले मैं आपको क्या कहते हैं मॉडलिंग अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन कर दूंगी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल कंप्लीट माय मॉडलिंग थिंग एंड देन आई विल गिव लेक्चर ऑन एनिमेशन टू, बिकॉज देयर आर सम फ्रेशर्स जिनको इतने इतने टूल बार्स भी यूज़ करना नहीं आते, बिल्कुल भी नहीं आते. तो आई एम गोइंग थ्रू ऑल द modeling part step by step and then I will cover the animation part too. So I'm going to model a simple curtain. I have selected line from here and I'm creating a zigzag. Okay, and then I'm going to select vertex from here. I have selected vertex. Okay, and then right click smooth. Okay, and now the next step is I am going to extrude it like this. So this step is the simplest step to create or model a curtain without using any cloth simulation. And with the help of how to model a curtain with the help of cloth simulation, I will cover this in my next lecture. Okay, and before of that I am going to create doors. We will use material, so I am going to create simple boxes of 1 inches and we will apply material on it. In my next lecture I will definitely be going to complete this interior. Okay, next lecture will be about cloth simulation of curtain and down ceiling and how to cut out lights and camera. So I will cover all these things in my next lecture. So that's all for today guys. I think or I hope you enjoyed this. So we will continue tomorrow. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel or like my videos and do share with your other friends. Thank you so much guys.